Hello friends, welcome back to Ancysartistry. Thank you for stopping by and I hope you would enjoy today's video. Today's video is dedicated to everybody who loves bling bling. What I mean to say is, today I'm going to be working with metallics. The base is still going to be a black base and I have gold, iridescent graphite, bronze and copper as the colors for layering. The canvas size that I'm using today is 10 inches by 20 inches. And before I start with today's painting, I would like to show you one of my previous paintings also on a black base and with the same, with similar metallics. I believe I also added silver into it and I gave it a resin top coat. So here it is. This is definitely bling bling. Look at how this one shines. So I had gold, bronze, copper and silver. I don't think I added iridescent graphite into this one, but just look at this. Completely bling bling. So I want to try something like this for today's painting, but obviously a different composition. This composition is inspired by my last week's painting, okay? A little bit, something like that, but I'm going to make it look different. So I've already checked if this canvas is level, and yes it is. So I'm going to put down my black base paint and I will be right back. Okay, before layering today's colors, I want to show you how my last week's painting dried. This one just glows. Gotta be careful not touch the new paint. Here it is. This one just glows. It dried beautifully. I love it. The ultramarine blue and the phthalo cyanine blue, just amazing with the, I think this one is brilliant blue, the bright shade. The colors are just superb. So there it is. And if you would like to check out the other bling, the metallics painting over the black base, it's video number 48 on my channel. All right, on to today's painting. Here's how I want the composition to look. I want to make it look similar to the infinity symbol. All right, so I'm gonna start and try and make the sign of an infinity, or you know, the number 8. Okay, I'm gonna use gold this time as my bottom color because I want more of the copper to show. So that's going to be the last color. So it's going to be on top. I mean the copper is going to be on top and I want gold to show less, so it's going to be on the bottom. All right. So here's the center. All right, let's go. All right, somewhat symmetrical. I'm going to blow it out, so it's going to move a little bit, but I'm just trying to see if I have this distance here. This distance is a little bit more than this, so I might have to come out when I blow on this side. All right, so the next color is iridescent graphite. Then I have bronze. Next color is the copper. One more layer of this. All right, I'm just going to add a little bit gold on the outside here. All right, I don't think I popped the air bubbles on the black base, but let's go ahead and do it now. All right, I think I forgot to add the black base. All right, here we go. All right, although this bottle says Liquitex, although this bottle says Artist Loft soft body acrylic, this is thinned down. So I've added Floetrol and water into this by weight. Okay. All right. Once again, let's pop these air bubbles. All right. I'm going to use my travel size flower hair dryer. All right. Okay, not what I wanted. I don't think I can fix it. So, okay, here we go. I'm debating, should I use the world's tiniest blower instead? Let's try that. Let's pop these air bubbles first. Right, here we go. I think I like this one much better than the previous one. Love the colors. I am going to change the composition a little bit more. Try adding some swirls. Just use my fingers to make some extra design. All right? So, keep watching. Alright, I'm done playing with it. I'll bring you down for a close-up. I like how this one turned out. Alright, here it is. Look how pretty this one looks from this side. I'm sure it looked pretty from the other side as well, but just this one is just very beautiful. The finger touches I added just made the big difference in this composition. I always like to challenge myself, create new compositions. Sometimes it's just the new colors, sometimes it's just composition. So this time it's the composition with the same colors that I used in video number 48, I believe. A completely different composition and I love it. If you watched this video and if you have watched my previous painting, that is the video number 48 with similar colors, definitely comment on this video and tell me which one you like better. Alright, I would love to hear from you. If you've enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please do hit that thumbs up button and please consider subscribing to support my art channel. Thanks for being here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Happy pouring.